Welcome back to a new day of daily updates across all of the major dollar pairs. Starting off with DXY on the daily time frame, we can see we've had that break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. Now, as we are trading after this break of structure, it makes sense to see a pullback on the dollar, looking for some potential downside, and I would like that downside to take us down towards a key point of liquidity, where we could then look for that next upside move following the daily order flow. If we go on to Euro USD, what does that mean? We can see we've had that break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. Now, similar to DXY, we're trading after this break of structure, so I'd like to see a pullback back up towards some points of liquidity. Ideally, we'd see this one here get taken at 116842. That would be the ideal high to get taken, and then look for that next downside move. If we go down though onto the 4-hour time frame, price action is not looking too clean at the moment. We can see we've had this most recent break of 4-hour structure over here. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. We were saying about we wanted to see one of these 2 points of liquidity get taken. Ideally, again, we want to see this highest point of liquidity get taken. That higher probability short. We have taken out this point of liquidity, and since then we have started to see some bearish price action come into the market, although I don't see this as valid liquidity until we break this low. And if we break this low, I'll be happy to scale in on any retracement in towards points of liquidity, and I'll be happy to take that short. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, we were looking for a potential long position yesterday, but this never materialized. We can see we had this 1-hour break of structure. We have our swing low and we have our swing high. We liquidated this point of liquidity, but at all times supply remained in control. We in fact tapped in and then sold off again. So for now, this is the supply zone that is in control, and I am looking for a potential short from this area. I know there's a point of liquidity here and here where you can look for that short. If that doesn't happen, and we do seem to break out of this supply zone, that would create a nice area of demand where you could then look to follow this up towards the week swing high and hopefully to that higher point of daily or 4-hour liquidity.